welcome to my best of 2019 things. It really was a bumper year. I did a bit of travelling down to Pasadena, and where I picked up some great free books at the Lightbox convention. These are really high quality books that were made available and for free, which is just outstanding. And I managed to get a couple, and you know, I didn't want to take too many because my bag would have been too heavy on the way back, but I selected a couple of good ones, I think, and that really was a bonus to going to Lightbox. So hopefully that will be repeated in the future. Another book which I got is this one, Beginner's Guide to Sketching, and I came across this through John Fry, who's responsible for putting this together, and it's just a fabulous book with great instructional type work, demonstrations, step-by-step procedures. So for those interested in robots, vehicles and sci-fi concepts, it's a fantastic book, and I did a review of this on my YouTube channel. I'll attach a link so that you can go in and see in detail what the contents of the book is. Big bonus for me this year was to get this GoPro 7 Silver. I picked it up at a duty-free shop at an airport while we were travelling from Australia, and you know, like, it's fantastic, the technology contained in this small little item, and great quality video and photographs, and it's good for like 30 feet or 30 meters underwater, and it comes with a case for mounting, and I'm really going to have a lot of fun with this, and hopefully this will improve the videos that I've been doing. Back to the art, I managed to get this before Christmas from a very good friend of mine, Stefan Marjoram, who is an English artist, and he specialises in cars, and he does wonderful drawings and sketches and paintings of cars, as well as participating in classic car meets which take him over to France to these wonderful chateaus. And you know, this is just a fabulous, small, exquisite little car that is painted here, and you know, I'm a great admirer of Stefan's, and you know, I would like to try and be able to emulate his wonderful work, and I'm really pleased to get this one. So keep your eye out next year, next December, for his Advent sketches. And back to the technology. Doing videos sometimes is an issue with the audio, and so I found these Fifine wireless microphones. So this is a base which will plug into your camera or your cell phone, and you know, when I purchased this, it didn't have the attachment for the cell phone, and when I contacted the company, they sent me the item that I required, and I thought that was wonderful, fantastic customer service, so I have to congratulate them on that. So it's very easy to use. This goes to the camera, and this attaches onto your belt or your waist, and it will be a great addition to the YouTube videos that I'm trying to make. Certainly will enhance the audio, because I'll be able to speak to the camera from a distance and move towards it as I describe what's happening around me. I guess the big item that I got this year is this wonderful compact, small, monoprice 3D printer. Now, it's still taped up because I haven't gone through the manual, and I haven't started it up, but I'm hoping to get a lot of use out of it. The question of what type of filament I should use is still up in the air. I ordered some filament and it came as ABS, but I think I should really be looking at PLA because it's more environmentally friendly. The ABS gives off an amount of fumes that you require a large area for it to dissipate or to have a fan to extract it. But you know, it came just like that, and it's supposed to be plug and play, and it was around about $200, which I think is just fantastic. So I'm really looking forward to trying to print a few items on this. Hope you enjoyed my best things of 2019 and the variety of items that I was able to gather this year, and I look forward to some new and exciting items next year for 2020. Bye for now.